Hi, Kayla. I'm going to try to give you a quick rundown. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reading the stage directions. This is the PDF for that. And start right here in Act 1, Scene 1. And really, what you're looking at is you're just going to read from the scene here all the way down pretty much to this point for this section. You don't need to worry about what's going on here. You're going to be making a drawing of that. So, if I was doing this, it says the scene, the Great Hall of the Monkswell Manor, late afternoon. And then the house looks not so much like a period piece, but a house in which has been lived in by generations of the same family, dwindling resources. There are tall windows up center and a big arched opening right leading into the entrance hall. So starting from there, I would probably go in here and go in to make a drawing. I'll just do a digital one from you for you as an example. So I'll probably start off with assuming this is my stage. And so the first thing it said, there's large windows in the middle. So maybe I'll insert an image and I'll search window. So let's make these my windows. I'll put those in here. And so that was upstage center. So these windows are going to be up here. Those are my windows. And then then from this, it said is a big arch opening to the right, leading to the entrance hall. So then I'm probably going to then insert maybe another thing, which will be a door. I can look up door. So again, thinking that we are on the stage, upright is going to be actually to our left, kind of thinking of stage directions, because the audience, I'm assuming, is going to be over here. So this is going to be my door, and maybe to pivot this a little bit. Oh, never mind. So here's my door, kind of going to the entrance hall over here. And then, so as I'm reading, I'm going to keep going through and making a drawing as to what I'm seeing. It's going to keep going, and it's going to say the different things that are inside this on the stage, and the entire thing is right here that you're going to be dealing with. And so we also probably want to assume where our audience is. Audience down here for you to know. So what you're doing is you're really just drawing the stage as it's explained in these paragraphs that introduce the play. Let me know if this helps.